And on today's episode of Jobs I Wish I'd Charged Nearly Double as amount that I did, we have a 2020 Ford F250 SuperDuty. What I did was I took these guys apart. This is the Platinum Edition, so this has the LED headlights. I took them apart and I painted all of the internals black and swapped out the amber to a clear side marker and the amber to a clear little marker right there. So it's purely cosmetic effects that I've done on this one. Just like I said, paint job and clear reflectors, and the 2020, so it's the new headlight style SuperDuty F250. Wow, these were so difficult to get open. They are, of course, permaseal and a total bastard, and they will hold on till the very end of time. So if you're going to do this job, then definitely charge more money. And if you want me to do this job, be aware that I will charge you an appropriate amount of money. Everybody else, from what I understand, likes to cut these housings open. I do not believe in cutting open housings because then you have to plastic weld them back together and that reduces serviceability. These are at least now sealed with butyl, so if, you know, it's unlikely, but in case the dude ever wants to go in again and modify anything, then we can do that very easily and very cost effectively. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.